Hey babes, okay, so today we are doing a at-home, no equipment, hot body HIIT cardio workout. You ask all the time for cardio moves you can do at home to get your heart rate up, and these HIIT workouts are absolutely the best. We're gonna work the entire body. You don't need any equipment, and it's gonna take less than 20 minutes. Okay, my favorite part about these workouts, really, especially being someone who growing up was not into fitness, is that they're so quick, but they're super effective. So in the 20-minute workout, you'll burn over 200 calories depending on how hard you're pushing it. There's modifications you can do, but the real best part about HIIT workouts is that you burn calories after even more because you're stressing your body a little bit. It's like, oh my gosh, I'm working so hard, I don't know what's happening right now. All day long, it's gonna be recovering, which means more calorie burn. So if you're ready to sweat it out, work on that tone, lean body, sweat the thumbs up, give it a little click, and let's get going. All right, so I'm gonna quickly show you all of the moves we'll be doing so you're super comfortable and ready to go. The first one is a shuffle with a knee raise. You can take this as slow or as fast, but remember, this is HIIT, so the key hand. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, knee up, shuffle 2, 3, knee up. Or you can pick up the pace, shuffling side to side, getting that knee and working the abs. The second move we're gonna do is an air thrust. So you're gonna come into a squat, a little bit wider than hip distance, heels in, toes out. Imagine you have weights, and if you have them, you can totally add them in to make this work even harder for you. But you're gonna come down into a deep squat and then come up and push those hips forward. Bring it down and push them forward, squeezing the booty at the top. Our next move is a spider crunch. You're gonna come into a full plank and you're gonna bring your knee toward the elbow, same side, knee to elbow, alternating from the right to the left. If this is too challenging, come onto the knees and do the same movement, but just drop back to the knees each time. Coming back up, we're gonna do a forward backward lunge. So you're gonna come to the middle of your space, step forward in a lunge, come to center, step back, forward and back. And you can also ditch the pause in between and just go all the way front to back. And for our last move, we're gonna come back into that plank for a renegade row burpee. I know it's a lot. So from your plank, you're gonna bring your right arm up, your left arm up, hop and jump. To modify it, make it more simple, on the knees, right arm, left arm, walk it up and stand. And again, if you have weights, you can use them for that row and even in your burpee. Okay, so I totally admire girls who can have their hair down during a workout and look awesome after. But for this one, you're gonna wanna tighten up that ponytail, set your alarm. We're gonna go 40 seconds on and take a 20-second break in between each exercise, starting with those shuffles. 40 seconds, let's go. To the right, to the left. Yes, core is tight, chest stays lifted. Again, as fast as you can, depending on your fitness level. Right to left. You can kind of get a little funky if you got music on too. It's like a dance move. We're about halfway there. This is a good one to have shoes on for. You don't want to go sliding. Good grip. Good. Shuffle. Let's go. Slide to the left. You know? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Take a break. Pedal it out. Inhale and exhale. This is the time you want your heart rate to come down. You have 20 seconds before those air thrusts. 10 seconds left. Breathe it out. Again, for these, if you want to grab weights, feel free. We're going to start in that low squat in 2, 1. Bring it down and up. Exhale. If you're like, holy moly, my heart rate is so high right now. Oh my goodness, what's happening? It's actually a good thing. HIIT workouts are intended to get your heart rate spiked and then have those periods where it comes back down. That's that shock factor I was talking about. That's where that extra calorie burn is really gonna start to happen. Exhale, 10 more seconds. You got this. Sit low. 4, 3, 2, and 1. 20 seconds, step it out. Don't ever stop moving completely during these breaks. You want that heart rate to come down gradually. Whew. All right, spider crunches after this. Again, find your layer where you need to be on the floor in 2, 1, and go. Right, left, squeeze those obliques. Shoulder stack right over the wrist. Gaze stays down. Don't forget to breathe. You got it. So strong, Team LSF. Come on in. Crunch. Really get that knee to the outside of the elbow. You're over halfway there. Core is tight, locked in. Keep pushing the mat away. Let's go. In. You have 5 seconds. I know you got this. 2, 1, and break. 20 seconds. Then we move into those lunges, moving front to back. On the same side during this round. On your next round, we'll switch sides. We're gonna start with our right leg. Front to back lunges. Woo. 3, 2, 1. Start in the front. Lunge it down. Step it back. Forward and back. Good. Chest stays lifted. Again, you can skip the pause in the middle and just move front to back to make it more challenging. Weight is in the heel of that standing leg. Core is tight. It's about the booty and the legs, but everything else is still focused, still working. Whew. 10 more seconds. Then those burpees. We got them. 3, 2, 1, and pedal it out. Ooh, that standing leg. Don't worry, this one will have its turn next round. All right, so renegade row to a burpee. If you want to grab weights, grab them. Otherwise, on your knees or on your toes in 3, 2, 1, we go right, left, hop, and jump. Take it back, right, left, hop it up, jump, back. Whew. I want you to feel your lats working here. Think of that bra bulge area as you squeeze back. Squeeze the bra bulge. Press up, good. Come on. You're over halfway there, friends. Take it back. I'm right there with you, pushing through. About 5 seconds. Can you give me 2 more? Last one, come on. Whew. And walk it out. Okay, so pedaling it out. Take a minute, let that heart rate come down. Breathe. Exhale. You're gonna have a 2-minute break before you take your next round, so just breathe. Okay, now that you've had time to let your heart rate come down, you grab some water and toweled off, I want you to complete this 3 more times for a total of 4 rounds. Click the timestamp below in the description. It'll take you right to the beginning of the workout so you can replay it and just get right into it. Make sure each round you do, you work for 40 seconds with that 20-second break in between each exercises, alternating your legs on those front to back lunges. So we started with the right leg. Round 2, you'll go left. Round 3, you'll go right, and you'll finish on that left side for your 4th round. This workout in total, including the breaks, is gonna take about 20 to 25 minutes, but you're working for less than 20 minutes, burning up to 300 calories, and you're gonna feel so incredible when you're done. All right, so if you're feeling that first round already, I know I am, I'm pretty sure you are too, comment below with, take my breath away, because that's what's gonna happen. And when you're done, I want you to comment and tell me how many rounds you finished. And you guys, if you haven't already signed up, I'll put the link below. Sign up for the free daily workouts on Love Sweat Fitness. I organize all these videos for you. Every single day you have a different workout to do, so you know exactly what you need to balance your body and your workouts. And don't forget, good things come to those who sweat, so go get sweaty, and I'll see you next week for another awesome workout. Bye.